morning, students. Welcome to TSN English class. Chapter 2, We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together. That is the part 4 of this chapter. In these lines, he's saying that the narrator of the story, he is in the chart room and he is trying to find out the speed, changes of course, drift and current in an effort to calculate our position, because he is trying to calculate their position and how he can change their way in the sea. And similarly, he is trying to also trying to find out the waves, the pressure of the waves, calculate our position and also calculate their position that at present where they were. The best I could determine was that there were somewhere in 150,000 kilometers of the ocean looking for a 65-kilometer wide island, and he find out something that in 150,000 kilometer huge ship they are finding for 65 kilometers island. So इतने बड़े 1.5 लाख किलोमीटर बड़े ocean में they are finding for 65 kilometer island. So this is very, in comparison to this is very small. While I was thinking, Sue, moving painfully, joined me. The left side of her head was now very swollen and her blackened eyes narrowed to slits. She gave me a card she had made. After doing all these calculations, he's thinking, the narrator of the story is thinking about his daughter, and his daughter Sue, moving painfully. She is moving here and there painfully, and she sat with her father and joined him. The left side of her head, and when he looks her head, that is fully swollen. The head of his daughter was fully swollen. That means उसका जो पूरा head है वो सूज गया था. And her blackened eyes narrows to slits. और जो उसकी आँखें हैं वो पूरी तरह black हो गई थी. And there is some kind of cracks over there in her narrower eyes. She gave me a card she had made, and suddenly her daughter gave him a card which is made by his daughter. On the front she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me with the words, "Here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh?" I laughed a lot as well. Inside was a message, "Oh, how I love you both." So this card is to say thank you and let hope for the best. Somehow we had to make it. And in this card, his daughter is writing some kind of message for them, and she draws some caricatures. Caricatures are some cartoon characters. What are caricatures? There are some cartoon characters. So on the front of the card, her daughter draws those the picture of Mary and his father. So, and she has written over there that here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? And she's asking with her parents that did these people make you laugh? And I laughed a lot as well. So he's talking about himself, that after reading all these things or all seeing on the cartoon characters, he laughed. Inside was a message, and inside the card there is a message by her daughter, written by her daughter, that is, she loved both Mary and narrator. So this card is to say thank you, and she's saying thank you by this card. This is a very small effort of his daughter, but this means lot for the narrator, and let's hope for the best. And now she is hoping for best her parents, and she's saying thank you to both of them. Somehow we had to make it now, and now she is telling him that we all had doing it together. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. I checked and rechecked my calculation. We had lost our main compass. compass. We had lost our main compass, and I was using a spare which had not been corrected for magnetic variations. I made an allowance for this and another estimate of the influence of westerly currents which flow through this part of the ocean. Now he is talking about himself, that again and again he is checking those his calculation that we has lost our main, because why he is checking again and again, because they lost their main compass and now he is using the spare compass means जो उनके पास अलग से रखा हुआ था, और जो अलग से रखा हुआ कंपास था that is not properly, that is not in proper condition or that is not working properly because for of magnetic variation, जो समुद्र में magnetic variations होते हैं उसकी वजह से, that is magnetic variation is the difference in the magnetic waves. I made an allowance for this and another estimate of influence of the westerly currents. So he made some kind of allowance means he's made some kind of he's supposing that through that westerly winds he influenced that कि westerly winds का जो प्रभाव है वो आ रहा है, so he make some kind of idea through that which flows through this part of the Indian Ocean, and he is making himself feeling that they are in the Indian Ocean. About 2 p.m. I went on deck and asked the Larry to steer a course of 185 degree. If we were lucky, I told him with a conviction I did not feel he could expect to see the island at about 5 pm. और 2 pm ही about 2 pm पे वो डेक पे वापस गया and asked Larry is the American shipman जिसको वो साथ लाए थे. सो ही इज़ होल्डिंग द स्टीयर और उसने उसे कहा कि 185 डिग्रीज़ में जहाज़ को आगे बढ़ाए. इफ़ यू वर लकी, अगर हम लकी हुए, देन आई टोल्ड हिम विद अ कन्विक्शन. उसने अपनी कन्विक्शन यानी अपने जो लक है, जो डेस्टिनी है, उसके थ्रू उसने बोला दैट आई डिड नॉट फील ही कुड एक्सपेक्ट टू सी द आइलैंड अबाउट 5 pm, कि उसे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि 5 pm तक वो लोग अपने द्वीप पर पहुंचने की उम्मीद कर रहा है. So that is his conviction. Then with a heavy heart I went below, climbed on my bunk and amazingly dozed off. Now he is talking about that he is having a heavy heart, that he is not feeling good. He went below और वो अपने bunk, the bunk is a bed on the ship, and he is going over there. और शाम के 6 बज चुके थे and he is in his sleeping room and he dozed off means वो सो गया था. When I woke it was 6 pm and growing dark. When he wake up in the evening he saw the time and the time is 6 pm and everywhere there is a dark because in the 6 pm evening में darkness हो रही थी. I knew we must have missed the island, and with the sail we had left, we could not hope to be back into the westerly winds. Now he is talking about that he knew that they missed the island and he don't know about the way. So he is talking about that he is not hoping for the back, that कि वो जो है वो इस उम्मीद नहीं कर रहा था that he is on the some island or what. At the moment a touzled head appeared by my bunk. So, on the same moment or at the same time a touzled head means एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसके पूरी तरह जो हेयर्स हैं वो मैसी हेयर हैं या अनमैनेज्ड हेयर्स हैं या अनटाइडी हेयर्स हैं, appeared by my bunk, उसके स्लीपिंग बेड के पास आ गया. Can I have a hug? Jonathan asked. Sue was right behind him. So the person who is having messy hair is his son Jonathan, and behind Jonathan his daughter is standing over there. Why am I getting a hug now? I asked. So he asked with his son कि बेटा why you are hugging me? Because you are the best daddy in the world and the best captain, my son replied. And उसके बेटे ने कहा, reply किया, that father you are the best daddy in the world and the best captain of course. नॉट टुडे जॉन, आई एम अफ्रेड। उसने अपने बेटे को कहा, आज नहीं बेटा, आई एम अफ्रेड। वो थोड़ा डरा हुआ था, नॉट काइंड ऑफ अ फ्राइटेंड पर्सन। वाई यू मस्ट बी सेड्स यू इन मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट वॉइस यू फाउंड द आइलैंड। नाउ हिज डॉटर इज सेइंग टू हिम दैट डैडी वाई यू मस्ट बी, आपको डरना नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज यू फाउंड द आइलैंड, हम आइलैंड पे हैं। वट, आई शाउटेड। तो नैरेटर ने बहुत ज़ोर से शाउट किया, स्क्रीम किया। इट्स आउट देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, द कोरेस्ट एज बिग एज अ बैटल शिप। और उन दोनों ने साथ में, कोरेस्ट मीन्स दे स्क्रीम्ड टुगेदर in front of their daddy and as big as a battleship, एक battleship की तरह वो लोग भी जो है एक आइलैंड को ढूंढ चुके हैं। they are on the island. I rushed on the deck and gazed with relief at the stark outline of LA Amsterdam. So वो जल्दी से डेक पे भागा शिप के and gazed means he saw and the whole thing, the island, and he feels very relaxed and relieved that there were on the island of Amsterdam. It was only a bleak piece of volcanic rock, and when he goes out, what he see, this is a bleak piece. Bleak piece means volcano से जो लावा निकलता है, तो wastage of that lava, due to the wastage of that lava, जब वो एक जगह इकट्ठा होता है तो it form a volcanic rock with little vegetation, और वहाँ पे कुछ थोड़ा बहुत उग भी गया था, because the soil of volcano is very fertile, or the lava of volcano is very fertile, the most beautiful island in the world. And he is describing that it is not Amsterdam, but it is the most beautiful island in the world, because they are safe now.